Hi, my friends. So, you guys, this is now my new normal, my new way of making ogbono soup. Guys, look at this sumptuous, yummy ogbono soup you see on your screen. Join me. Let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, guys, so you remember the video where I washed my ogbono and the water was so dirty. Honestly, I regretted those years. I would just pick up a dry ogbono and just bam, start blending it without even washing it. Yuck, so gross. From that day on till now and in future, I will always wash my ogbono before I cook it, girl. Like you are, I must wash it because we can't just be putting in so many germs and dirt into our system just because, oh, this is the way our mama did it. They blended it dry and it has to be dry. Says who? Hello, says who? Like I blend my ogbono wet after washing it and making sure, yeah, that I can remove as much dirt that I can remove, and my ogbono soup still draws well. Okay, so you just watch and see how I made this very yummy ogbono soup. So yeah, after washing and I drained it, that's it. And I'm just comfortable with it because why not? Let's deal with what we can. When we can prevent, let's prevent. When we cannot prevent, yeah, God will help us, or whatever you believe in. So yeah, into my Bucci mix blender. Guys, I'm so excited. Since I bought my Bucci mix blender, I've been so excited. Okay, I'm not blender crazy, okay? So you guys already know that I have I love kitchen equipments and I have Vitamix and other ones that have been. But when you buy something new, you kind of get too excited about it. So that's just what I'm dealing with. I'm just too excited because it is new. I'll get over it. So yeah. So this is how I made my ogbono soup. Ogbono soup, ogbono soup. How many of you like draw soup, ogbono? Like, yeah, growing up is one of my favorite. Like growing up, it used to be like my favorite soup, but now it is one of my favorites. Like it's very easy to just it's very easy to swallow. It goes through your esophagus and just goes down effortlessly. So yeah, that's why I like it. So I use the frying method for my ogbono soup. If you don't know what the frying method is, just sit tight and watch. Easy peasy. There's no rocket science. Like I started cooking when I was 7. I'm not a caterer. I'm not a chef, but being the first child and the first daughter, Mom brought me to the kitchen as early as 7 years. Those of you from the what generation is it again? Is it generation the X? Yeah, the Gen X. Okay, yeah. If you are from the Gen X, you know what I mean. As a girl child, you will be exposed to the kitchen as early as possible. So I watched Mama cook and I started cooking. So I learned through learning, okay, instruction, learning, mistakes, and turning my mistakes to messages, and I got to where I am, and I just love to cook. I just love to cook, okay? I just love to cook. And that's it. And if you understand the concept of what you're doing, you will not just be dogmatic with a particular style. So the concept is mix it in an oil based, so that it doesn't get lumped. That's it. It doesn't have to be just one particular method. If you understand the why behind everything you're doing, then you see that your creativity talent will just kick in and you achieve the same goal because you know why you're doing what you're doing. And that's basically what I'm doing here. And that's it. So that's my meat stock I just put in there. And of course, in the meat stock, that's where all the ingredients and the flavors come from. Okay? And of course, on a low heat. And that's my catfish, cleaned and washed. Okay? And of course, those are my proteins: goat meat, chicken, and what again did I use? Yeah, cowhide. Okay, so just go ahead and do you. Okay, so this part is open-ended. Just do you. Can you see the result? Like, just look at the face of this ogbono. Already I'm salivating. Just look at it. So what are you telling me? Guys, stop throwing germs into your stomach. Wash that thing, okay? Wash it. You don't know what the insects, rodents, and what have you must have gone through, where those things are exposed during the drying process and all that. Like, hello? I'm gonna continue washing my abon, okay? And if you don't, tell me why in the comment section why you don't, or what you think. So I'm here to prove to you that when you blend your bono wet, it will still give its the outcome will still be good. So that is I'm addressing your fears and your concerns, okay? So look at my soup right before you here. It came out really good and very yummy. So if you have watched up on this moment, that means you're enjoying what we're doing, and I appreciate you and I appreciate your time. We don't take it for granted. If you have not clicked the red button, if you have not subscribed, kindly click that red button that shows subscribe at the bottom right corner of your screen, and as soon as you click it, bell sign will show up and it will give you options. Choose that option that says all, ALL. That way, anytime I upload a video, you will personally get a notification. That way you will not miss any video. There is also a button down there, that shows thanks. Click that thanks button if you want to support this channel. It will give you options of money, token. So support this channel. That way I'll keep coming here to give you updates of healthy meals. Remember, your health is your wealth. Eat your food like your medicine, and let your medicine be your food. Okay, hello. Okay, so that's it, and my soup was ready, and ta-da, I served myself. And guess what? I ate it with my potato oat fufu. Oh my god, that fufu was something else. Like, guys, the potato fufu was just very close to cassava fufu, very smooth. It was giving me cassava fufu vibe, and at the same time it was giving me amala vibe. So it was just in between those two, okay? And this was really, really, really good and very yummy, okay? So I'll leave you here, and I will see you in another video. Until then, stay blessed, and make wise choices. And before you eat, know what you're eating, okay? Know what you're eating. Eat right, because your health is your wealth, like I said before, okay? Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye bye.